Every time you search on Google, you get many results displayed on pages, and all of them are related to a single keyword which you have used. But what happens when what you have searched doesn't bring what you need? You will have to type in something different to see what comes up. People also search for keywords aim to reduce this workload by displaying the other possible search alternatives that you can simply click on Google. But if you are like most people, you probably don't think too much about the keywords you are using when you search on Google. Now you must be wondering about how the people also search for section serves as a blessing for SEO. Don't worry, I'll explain all the things you need to know. Hello everyone, my name is Raj and today we will get to know more about the golden SEO tips for people also search for. The keywords in the box titled people also search for are keywords that have been searched by people who have also searched for the main query. This is a great way for Google to suggest other related queries that you might not know about, and it can be a great way for you to find new keywords to target. How does it work? Well, a user search for a keyword, Google search shows the most relevant and high quality web pages on that topic. If the user clicks on one of the search results but bounce back to the search engine search page for a few seconds, Google assumes that its search result did not satisfy the searcher's query. This is when it shows the people also search for snippet under the search results the user previously clicked. This snippet contains the relevant keywords which users might have frequently used while searching for the topic. Now, difference between people also search for and related searches. Well guys, you might have seen while you search on Google, related searches also appears. So people can often mistake the section for related searches. However, they are not the same. The biggest difference is in the positioning of the two sections. People also search for appears directly under the search result you have clicked. On the other hand, related searcher appears at the bottom of the search page. Also, people also search for position means it likely to get more clicks than related searches. And people also search for contains fewer keyword suggestions, and some of them are not a part of the related searches. How to use people also search for? So this brings us to why should we even care about people also search for and when looking to build our SEO strategy. The keywords in people also search for come directly from Google database. They are the search queries for target audience frequently used to learn more about that topic. So keeping an eye on these keywords is crucial to understand your audience preference and interests. You can find people also search for keywords for any topic by manually searching it and clicking a result and then returning to the search pages. However, a need-free Chrome extension called Keywords Everywhere shows you the people also search for keywords for every search query on your search results. Benefits for people also search for. The people also search for keywords can literally serve you as a gold mine for quality and relevant keywords. If you are struggling to find content ideas, people also search for keywords is an excellent method to help you. Search for your target topic and find its people also search for keywords, then search for each people also search for keyword in a different tab and analyze the top ranking pages to find new and unique content ideas. Along with this, people also search for keywords are ideal terms for frequently asked questions since they are the topics your audience is already searching for. If you want to improve your site's on-page SEO strength, use people also search for keywords to optimize your content. Note down all the relevant people also search for keywords and use them naturally throughout your content wherever it makes sense. Well guys, people also search for seems like a simple Google search feature. However, you can use it to drastically improve your site's on-page SEO, perform keyword research, find new content ideas, and several other SEO goals. If you wish to know more about SEO and the strategies you invest your resources in, visit the link in the description box or visit our website. And to learn all about SEO and other forms of digital marketing, you can also enroll in our course. For more clarity, you can even attend a demo session organized by Digital Vidya. For more information and engaging videos around digital marketing, do subscribe the channel, and until then, keep learning and keep growing.